Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab A1 Mini Extruder Clog, not extruding fix and unclog steps. Fix 1. Unload the filament. On the touch screen, go to filament, then go to unload. Now allow the nozzle to heat completely and remove the filament if it retracts successfully. Fix 2. Try manual extrusion. Heat the nozzle to the correct temperature for the loaded filament or slightly higher if recommended. Now insert filament manually through the extruder while gently pushing until material starts coming out of the nozzle. If the filament extrudes normally, reload it and resume printing. Fix 3. Perform a nozzle unclogging procedure. Remove the hot end if necessary and use the official unclogging method, such as the heated hex key or cleaning tool method, to remove the blockage from the nozzle, then reinstall the hot end and test extrusion. Fix 4. Inspect the extruder for stuck filament. If the nozzle is clear but filament still won't feed, open the extruder cover. Remove any broken or jammed filament from the drive gears using tweezers. Then rotate the gears by hand to ensure they move freely before reassembling. Fix 5. Check the PTFE tube. Disconnect the PTFE tube from the extruder and make sure there are no broken filament pieces inside. Now push a new piece of filament through the tube to verify it is clear before reconnecting it. Fix 6. Reload filament. Cut the filament tip at a 45-degree angle. Now insert it into the PTFE tube, then select for filament, then go to load and wait until the printer extrudes a steady stream of filament. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.